blessing. Feeling good outside. I'm just glad to be back out here. Play a little football.
Let's go, boy.
Let's get it, bro.
I'm gonna give you everything I got. Give me everything you got. Let's go.
Yes, sir.
Savages on me, savages on 3. 1, 2, 3, 7.
They run it to the right side, cutting back to the middle. It's another good run by Jacobs, cutting outside. Stiff arm at the 50 and still going. Cutting back to the middle, and he's down to the 29-yard line. But what an effort of 42 yards by Jacobs. 45-yard kick for Carlson. And he hits another one. 5 out of 6 on the season. Low snap. Rodgers able to secure it, and he's in trouble back at the 33. And that is the rookie Max Crosby, who had his first sack over in London in the last game, and now he's got another one.
Crosby, who's coming out. I like this. Max Crosby, I'm telling you, is going to be a player.
Every time. First down, that's every time.
Packer 10-yard line. Richard is right to his left. Carr fires quickly. 10. Moreau reaches for the end zone. Touchdown. Touchdown, Raiders.
Out of the gun. Across the middle, back in the end zone. Waller with the touchdown.
Slant, caught, cut back, dive, touchdown, Raiders. That was Darren Waller again. They ran a quick slant. Glennon hit him, and then he cut back the other way for the touchdowns. Well, we take a look at the opposite side. Aaron Rodgers, certainly the player of the game. 25 of 31 for 430 yards. That's a career high. Let me repeat that. 430 career yards and 5 touchdowns.
I'll just say it's a combination of Rodgers making great plays. We got to do a better job coaching, playing, and that we will do.